Good morning, children. Welcome back to our IT class. Children, we have finished chapter 5, Introduction to PowerPoint 2016. So today, let's have a quick recap of the same chapter, and after that, we will discuss textbook exercise. What is a PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a presentation software. Using this, we can create interesting and exciting presentations. A presentation is made up of a series of slides. A slide means each page in a presentation is known as slide. We can add text, graphics, pictures into a slide to make a PowerPoint presentation more attractive. Then we learn different components of a PowerPoint presentation window. Which are the different components? Yes, title bar, quick access toolbar, status bar, ribbon, etc. These are some components of presentation software. Then we learn about title slide. After that, we have learned how to insert a new slide into a presentation, and then how to insert a text into a slide. At last, we have learned how to save a presentation and how to open an already saved presentation, and how to close and exit a PowerPoint presentation. These are the things that we have learned in this chapter. Let's see how to do all these operations. PowerPoint 2016. Let's see how to start PowerPoint. For this, you have to click on Start button and then scroll the mouse. Then click on PowerPoint option. The PowerPoint screen open. This screen also called Backstage view. We can use this Backstage view to create new presentation. Here you can see many options: new, open. We can also open, save, print, create PDF and share presentation from Backstage view. Then for creating a new presentation, you have to click on the blank presentation. This is the new presentation. Here, when you open the presentation, the first slide that you can see is known as title slide. This is title slide. Next, let's see which are the components of PowerPoint window. The first one is title bar. Title bar is located on the top of the PowerPoint window, and in title bar you can see three buttons: minimize button, maximize button and close button. Then next one is quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar appears on the left side of the title bar. It contains commonly used commands such as save, undo, redo. Commands are present in quick access toolbar. Then next component is ribbon. Ribbon. Ribbon is made up of tabs and groups. These are tabs and these are groups. So ribbon is made up of tabs and groups. This portion is known as ribbon. It made up of tabs and groups. The next component is slides. The slides pane is located on the left side of the window. Here you can see the number of slides that is present on the presentation. Next component is speaker's note pane. This is speaker's note pane. Here the speaker can write notes for himself. Next component, placeholder. A placeholder is dotted box on a slide. The dotted box that you can see in the title slide, that is called a placeholder. In the title slide, there are two placeholder you can see. There you can enter text. Next component is status bar. Status bar is located at the bottom of the PowerPoint window. It displays information about number of slides, current slide, etc. Creating a new presentation. For creating a new presentation, you have to click on File tab. Then click Blank Presentation. Then a new presentation will create. Then when you open a presentation, the first slide that you can see is called title slide. This is the title slide. Here in title slide you can see two placeholders. The first one is title text placeholder. Second one is subtitle text placeholder. There you can enter your title and subtitle respectively. So to enter text in the title text placeholder, first you have to click on the title text placeholder and then type the title. Then to enter text in the subtitle text placeholder, click on this placeholder and then type the text that you want. This is how we are entering text in the title text placeholder and subtitle text placeholder. Next is inserting a new slide. To insert a new slide, first you have to click on Home tab. Then in slide group, you can see new slide option. Click on that. Then a new slide got created. You can create number of slides using this option. Then there is a shortcut key to create a new slide, that is Ctrl plus M. If I am pressing Ctrl plus M, a new slide will be created. Then one more method is there to create a new slide, that is just right click the slide in the slide pane and then click new slide option. Then a new slide got created. This is how we are inserting a new slide into a PowerPoint presentation. Next topic is changing the font and font size of the text. Here I am going to change the font and size of this text computer. For this, first you have to select the text. After that you have to click Home tab and in font group you can see two drop down arrow for changing the font and font size. First one is different types of font you can see in the first drop down arrow. In second one you can see different sizes. So click on the first drop down arrow. These are different font available. So I have selected this type. So font is changed. If you want to change the size of this text, you have to click on the next drop down arrow and then select the size. Okay, this is how we are changing the font and the size of the text. Next is saving a presentation. We are going to save this presentation. For this, first you have to click on File tab and then in the backstage view, you can see in the left side pane, Save as options. You can select any other option, Save as option. Here I have selected Save as option. Click on that. Then in the center pane, you have to click on this PC option. Then a Save as dialog box will appear. Here you have to select the location of the file where you want to save. I have selected desktop and then in the file name box you have to type the file name. Then after that you have to click save button. So the file got saved on the desktop. See, in the desktop, you can see a PowerPoint presentation file with name ABCD. This is saved in the desktop. Next topic is how to open a saved presentation. We have already saved one presentation with name ABCD. Let's see how to open that presentation file. For this, first you have to click on File. Then from the left pane, you have to click Open option. In the center pane, you have to click this PC option. Then a dialog box will appear. Here you have to select the location of the file. That is, I have saved in desktop. So name of the file was ABCD. Click on it. Then click Open. So the particular presentation file opened here. This is how we are opening a saved presentation. Next is closing this presentation. So here I am going to close this presentation. For this, you have to click on File tab. Then from the left pane, you have to click Close button. So that particular presentation is closed. Next is exiting from PowerPoint. For exiting from PowerPoint, you have to click on this Close button that you can see in the top right corner of title bar. Click on this Close button. Let's do textbook exercise. All of you take your textbook and page number 54. Tick correct option.
Take the correct option.
First question. Name of the presentation is displayed on the dash. Options: title bar, status bar, task bar. Answer is title bar.
Well done.
So name of the presentation is placed on the title bar. Second question. Dash contains multiple tabs, each with several group of commands. Options: status bar, slide pane, ribbon. Answer is ribbon.
Well done.
So ribbon contains multiple tabs, each with several group of commands. Third question. Dash displays the slides as thumbnails. Options: outline pane, slides pane, work area. Answer is slides pane.
Well done.
So slides pane displays slides as thumbnails. Fourth question. Save as option is present under dash tab. Save as option is present under dash tab. Options: insert, file, format. Answer is file.
Well done.
Fifth option. Fifth question. The shortcut to insert a new slide is dash. Control plus M, Alt plus M, Shift plus M. Answer is Control plus M.
Well done.
True or false?
Write T for true and F for false.
First question. To close PowerPoint, you can click on minimize button. Answer: false. Second question. Quick access toolbar is located at the top of the taskbar. Answer is false. Third question. A presentation is made up of a series of slides. Answer is true. Fourth one. You cannot change the font type of the text in slides. Answer is false. Next is filling the blanks using the words given below.
Fill in the blanks using the words given below.
First question. The first window that opens up in PowerPoint is called dash view. The first window that opens up in PowerPoint window is called dash view. Options are slide, backstage, close, title bar. Answer is backstage. Backstage view.
Well done.
Second question. Dash is located at the top of the PowerPoint window. Answer is title bar. Title bar is located at the top of the PowerPoint window.
Well done.
Third question. A single page of a presentation is called dash. Answer is slide. A single page of a presentation is called a slide.
Well done.
Fourth one. Dash button is used to exit the PowerPoint. To exit from the PowerPoint, you have to click on close button. Hope all of you understood the topic that we have discussed today. So all of you read the textbook and study well. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.